Hello, after a long time, yes, I was little busy for my ERP system, inventory management or HRM, CRM, etc. So, after a long time, I finally created a professional email signature for my Gmail. So you can see the Figma design. It's a other client email signature, but this is a new email signature for my personal Gmail, and already I converted in HTML for Gmail. You can see when I compose, and this is my email signature. Yes, it's a small thing, but details like this matter when you are serious about working with clients. If you want a clean professional email signature like this, feel free to connect with me.